Alright, so if you watched my last video, we did the unboxing of the WhamBam system, and now we're going to install it on this Ender 3. So let me take these clips off of this plate, get this glass bed off of here. There we go. Alright, so I've used this glass bed for more than a good few years now, and I'm really hoping that all the recommendations and stuff for this new build system is highly accurate, because I'm tired of the glue and the tape and hairspray at times and all this other stuff. So I'm going to clean this bed off, get it as clean as possible so that sticky back of that magnet sticks down to it real well. The instructions say you need to let that magnet adhere to the bed for at least 72 hours before you actually print with it. So I guess I won't get to do a time lapse for a while, but alright, let's see how this lines up. Make sure it's all the right size and I got the right one. Pretty sure I did, but here we go. Looks like it fits pretty good. Peel this backing off of here. Well, I'm going to try to peel the backing off of here. I never have good luck with this. I always rip it. That comes off pretty easily though, so that's not too bad. Alright, see if I can line this up without having to peel it back off. Get it straight the first time. Just take my time, go a little slower. Make sure all the edges are lined up. Let's see what we can do. It feels straight. I think it feels straight. Corner straight. It's aligned with the back edge. Alright. Feels good. Go ahead and stick that down. Peel some more paper out of there. Double check it. Stick it down a little bit as I go. Peel more paper. Just want to keep double checking that it's aligned. Last thing I want to do is get to the very end and see that it's off. That'd drive me crazy. But it's going down a lot easier than I expected. I really expected, like, I've put stickers on stuff like this before where you got to align. I mean, especially when you're talking like screen protectors and stuff on phones, and it's a 50-50 shot. Sometimes I get it right and it works out perfect, and sometimes I got to redo it and start over. But that worked out really well. It's straight, it feels good, looks good. So it says to rub it with a credit card, kind of like you do, you know, with the screen protectors and stuff. But I don't have one, so I'm going to reach in this drawer over here. And I got a cell phone. It's pretty old. It's super smooth, super straight. So I figured, what the heck? I might as well use it. It's kind of like a straight edge, right? I mean, use what you got in a pinch. It was pretty level. There were no bubbles or anything under it anyway, so. Alright. Fits pretty good, looks pretty good. Put the plate on and see how that fits. See if I can get that aligned. Whoa. Alright. That's got a lot more sticky magnetic power than I expected. That like sucked right out of my hands right there. See if I can get this aligned right. There we go. Looks good. Now I just gotta reset my Z offset and everything and re-level the bed. Pull this film off of here. It's almost got like a mirror finish to it. But yeah, that install was super easy. It looks good. I cannot wait to actually get to print with it. Lots of people have hit me up about it. I'll say one big shout out to Philativity on Instagram. He is the one that really told me, hey, you got to check this out. It is so much better than printing on glass. It works so much better than anything I've personally used in a long time. Because if you're looking to upgrade, you definitely got to check this out. So we did, and I'm definitely excited to print on it. So thanks for joining, and until next time.